Welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for marketing tips based in technology for your real estate business. I'm Amy Stack, and today we're going to do another session of short stacks on landing pages in the Keller Williams Command system. Go ahead and get my screen shared. Today we're going to focus on videos in landing pages. So I pulled up Command. I'm on the dashboard. As a quick reminder, go to the bottom left and tap Consumer. That will take us to our page and site creator. And go up to the right-hand side, click create a new page. And we do want a standalone landing page. So we're going to click that second option and hit create page. Remember, I like to name my page right away. Video sample 2. And on the right-hand side, we have all of our widgets. I know we've gone over some other ones before. I just dragged our branded header in there. I'm going to find video. That's the one we're highlighting today. So click, hold, drag, wait for that green bar to pop up, release, and the widget will populate on the left-hand side. On the right, I want to go ahead and grab my lead form and my legal footer. Let's make sure that goes all the way to the bottom. There we go. Maybe you want to add in your app. I can wait for that green bar to pop up and put it in place. And then maybe you think that's too long. All you have to do is click on that app you want to, the widget part that you want to delete, and find that trash can and hit that. So you can see you can do any combination of these widgets on one page. We're just going to focus on these ones today. A lot of people like to do videos of listings, and that is a great way to use this video feature in a landing page. I do want to highlight a couple of other ways, or one big other way you can use it in multiple ways, is that you can actually use video in your business to leverage your time. So let's say you work with first-time homebuyers a lot and you get a lot of the same questions over and over again. What if you made a video that listed, the top 5 or the top 10 things that people need to know as first-time homebuyers? We can put that video right into this landing page, and anytime you start conversations with somebody about that process, you can send them your landing page with all of your information. You could also use this in an ad and advertise top 10 things people need to know. Click here, and then they come to your landing page and get your video, as well as, your lead capture form, your branding, all of that good stuff. So it's just a nice way to let you focus your time on setting up showings or doing more things on the back end, so that you don't have to have this 10-minute conversation with 100 different people. You can record it the one time and send it out. So what I want to do is configure everything in here so that we can customize it. So to do that, we're going to go all the way to the bottom right-hand corner and hit Configure Widgets. And you can see I selected my branded header, so that was the first one that popped up. Like I said, we're talking to first-time home buyers, right? So maybe we want to call it First-Time Buyer Tips. And if I want to edit anything else in here, I can. I'm going to hit Save and Apply, and my header has popped right into place. If I go to the top right of those widget editors, you'll see it says 1 of 4. I can tap the right arrow and it's going to take me to my video widget. So we have the ability to add a headline, a description, and a video. For this case, I'm going to use an example of a video that is already on YouTube. So I'm just taking the video title from YouTube and I'm pasting it right in that headline. You can make it whatever you would like. Same thing with the description. Because this video is on YouTube, I'm just going to go ahead and copy that description right in place here. You can see you have up to 200 characters to give some information about what the video is on. Then below description, we have video source. So you have 2 options here. We have a URL or an upload video. So if you have the original video file that you want to upload, you can do that. You just select upload video and drag and drop the file. I believe it's limited to a couple of minutes. So if you have a longer form video or a YouTube channel, I definitely recommend using that video URL option. So I'm pulling a video off of YouTube. Just going to hit copy on the link here, and we're going to paste it right in place. And that way, this will actually count towards views on the YouTube channel, And if you don't have a YouTube channel and you have a longer video, you could always upload that to Google Drive and save it as a file that anyone with this link can view. Copy that link and put it right into this widget right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save and apply, and we should see, there we go, there's Miss Karen Carr, just using her video as an example here, popped up so you can see that the video is in there. And I'm going to go back up to my top right again, click my next widget. Here's my lead form. Maybe I don't want to say interested, let's talk. Maybe I want it to say start showing, start looking. Perfect, hit save and apply. And then of course I can go check out my legal footer and make sure everything is compliant and I have all my links in there. So now that I'm done with that, we'll hit save and apply one more time. I can take a once over on the left-hand side to see my landing page. And then I can go up to the top right and hit publish. So we're going to do publish and then hit yes, update it. And that's taken us right back to the consumer page inside Command. And it always takes us to agent site pages first. So if you look up to the top white bar, there's going to be a button that says landing pages. So we can go ahead and click on that. It's going to show all the landing pages you have. As a reminder, any of them with a green status or that blue link means it's live. So I'm going to go ahead and click that link so I can see it like the public would. And here's my landing page. So first time buyer tips, how to buy your first home ever. Got the video right in place there and our little description, how to buy your first house ever, learn the 10 steps to buying your home. It's not as complicated as you might think. And then let's get some information and let's stay compliant. So all I have to do as a consumer is hit this play button.
Hi, thank you so much.
And it starts playing right away. So it doesn't even take them off of the page yet. Like I mentioned, if this is on a YouTube channel, it will count for your views. So we're gonna go back into Command. You can see my status toggle. I can turn that off if I don't want to show it anymore, or if I want to make any updates, I can go to the far right-hand side and hit edit. So I'm just going to turn that off because I don't want to take credit for Karen's video. Go ahead and hit yes right here. And now you can see it's deactivated. And that is how you can use video in your landing pages. Is that you found this helpful and you're looking for other tips like this, go ahead and like and subscribe and make sure to keep checking out those short stacks. I'll see you next time.